Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to make your iPhone flash whenever you receive a call or a message? In this video, I'll show you how to enable this feature so you can be notified even when you can't hear your phone. Let's go. Activating the feature is quite easy. Just go to Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Audio/Visual. Now enable LED flash for alerts. You also have the option to use Flash on Silent, which will trigger the flash when you receive a notification even if your ring alert is set to silent. Now that you have this function activated, the flashlight at the back of your phone will blink every time you receive a call or a message, even if your phone is locked. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.